What was the okay? The main these are the main we have these are the format or the general of the essay, the introduction, in which you are going to argue, discuss, explore, your research or topic, and say how you are going to do that. It's an introduction for that. You may also introduce key terms in the introduction, so that it will be very easy for the readers. This is why this section should be approximately from 1 to 15% of the whole essay. Then you go to the main body. The main body, you identify the key issues, points to be argued or discussed. You go in details. You go in detail in what you mentioned in the introduction. You argue, you discuss those key points, you support the argument, discussion with appropriate research and reference sources appropriately. This is why this section should be approximately 50 to 70% of the whole work or essay. And then in the conclusion, you summarize what you said and draw conclusions from the argument or discussion from the main body. You give the summary of the main body. The introduction, you introduce the body or the topic, and then in the main body, you argue, you discuss, you describe, you give more details about the topic that you introduce in the first section, and then to conclude, you summarize the content or the main what you mentioned or discuss in the main body. These are the three main these are the three main parts of the essay: introduction, main body, and academic writing, and conclusion. And then sometimes you need to recommend, especially when you are writing academically, you recommend readers to go and consult this or that reference, which might find more or elaborative information about the topic that you're writing about. And then you mention the references. Every time that you use anybody's elsewhere, you need to cite it in your essay. You need to cite in your essay, and then you mention the reference at the end of your essay. This is either you write the reference, and then while you are including or integrating the writer's name within the text. So how to write the introduction? The introduction to your piece of academic writing is your opportunity to capture the interest of the readers and to encourage them to read on. So the content of introduction will vary according to the subject matter being explored. Generally, the introduction should define the context or background of the topic, identify the area of study, define the topic and key terms being used or explored, indicate the purpose of the writing, provide signposting, ideas, indicators as to what will be covered. In first, I will do this, second, finally, and then so on. So this is how to signpost as to what will be covered and where. These are some phrases that might be used to consider when writing your introduction. You can use this. In recent years, there has been an increasing interest in whatever the topic is. Historically, Daesh has been thought to have significant influence on whatever. A key event in the development of Gaza was Gaza. The past X years, the past 10 years, 5 years, 2 years, have been major advances in the field of, and then these are some, you can use them in your writing, introduction writing. There is increasing concern that some people are being disadvantaged by Gaza. This research or this topic will focus on Gaza rather than Gaza. The aim of this research is to evaluate this and that. This assignment or essay project has been divided into 5 key sections. The first section deals with the second and then the third. This assignment or essay or project begins by providing an overview of the context for the research. It will then go on to discuss or evaluate or explore or analyze or reflect on Gaza. Throughout this assignment or essay or project, the term Gaza will refer to Gaza and so on. So this is what you can include in the introduction section of the essay, or and then you are provided with some expressions, more than 12 or 20 expression that might help you to use when you are writing your introduction. This is how to write the introduction. Okay, introduction of your essay academically. Thank you very much.